This phone replaces 3 devices, and I didn't expect it to actually work. My phone, my tablet, even part of my laptop. First, it replaces your phone. The outer display is actually big enough to use like a normal phone now. You get a 6.5-inch display with a 120Hz screen. You're not sacrificing anything here. It just works. This is where it gets crazy. You're getting a full tablet experience. You get an 8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. And this is why people buy this. Watching content, multitasking, browsing. This is what actually changes everything. Now this one sounds crazy. This is running a flagship chip with tons of RAM. So for emails, content, basic work, this can actually replace a laptop for a lot of people. But if you do heavy editing or serious work, you still need a real laptop. You can run multiple apps at once and it does not slow down. This is the first time the camera isn't a downgrade. You get a 200 megapixel main camera, which is great. Battery is decent, but this big screen will drain it. But let's be real, this is very expensive. It's thicker, it's not for everyone. But if you actually use all 3 and replace them with this, it starts to make sense. I'm testing this long term. If you're thinking about buying it, subscribe. I'll tell you if it's actually worth it.